Hello friends, in this video let's understand to develop a basic registration and login web application using Flask framework. So for this application I have used three HTMLs: home.html, index.html and login.html. As you can see, index.html is nothing but our registration page and login.html is nothing but our a login page. This is a simple HTML, guys, basic application I am showing to you. Username and password. In this registration I have taken the username, input type is text, password input type is password, and we have a one submit button, sign up here. As it is actually same as for login as well, just submit button have a value is login here. In a home.html will be the login successful for a particular user according to their name. So before doing this, we have to install Flask as well as the Flask MySQL DB to your computer or a laptop. We have to import three very important things: Flask, request and render template, as well as the MySQL. So Flask app is equal to Flask and MySQL is equal to MySQL. Both are the constructors. These are the very important things. Then I have app.config is used to connect to database. MySQL host is local host. I have created a database for that. As you can see here, company employee is my database, as well as logins is a table, and in this table there are two columns. One is username and second is the password. And username, there are the five six six data is already there, as you can see. Then app.route will route after running our app.py, it will route our registration page. So if the request of registration page is post, then we have to it will collect the username and password, and with using mysql dot cursor it will execute a SQL query. As you can see here, insert into logins is our table, username password values, both username and password in a varchar, so percentage s will be used. Then we have to commit our SQL query, and the cursor, we have to close the cursor. This is very important. And then it will return to login HTML, is login page. In the login page, same thing as you can see in the registration, but we have to compare username and password. So cursor will execute a SQL query. It will select all the records from the table logins, username and password, and store into the info in a dictionary. So the info 0 is a key, is username, and the value will be the password. And it will return to the render template. As you can see, if the login is successful, it will render to the home.html according to their username, as you can see. And if not, it will render to the login.html. App.run to run the application. So let's see our application in the running, as you can see here. So let's sign up anything. Let's say Ganesh. Password will be anything. Serve. Sign up. So first let's check whether our data has been went into the database or not. Let's refresh the data. You can see the Ganesh is our username and Mohotsav is the password. So in the username, let's put Ganesh, and password will be Mohotsav. Login, Ganesh login is successful. If you guys, if you have already signed up, then there will be the login page. So if we have to click the login page will come. Ganesh Mohos Saf. Ganesh login is successful. This is the very basic uh, s- login application with using a Flask. I hope you guys learn from it. See you later, guys. Thanks a lot.